These AI plant growth animal videos are going viral every single day. And look at this. This Instagram page has gained more than 350,000 followers, and almost every video crossed millions of views. I got genuinely shocked when I saw this one video crossed 200 million views. And the crazy part, many of these channels are pulling millions of views on simple AI-generated content without even showing their face. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method to create these videos yourself. No experience needed, completely free tools. Don't skip, because this might be the easiest way to start a faceless content channel right now. Head over to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for restoration time-lapse and click on the first result. Start a chat, copy the prompt from the description and paste it inside. Now just change the animal name to whatever animal you want and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly give you 4 image prompts and 4 video prompts, one complete set for every scene of your video. Everything you need is right here. Now head over to Google Flow, choose image, select your desired settings, copy image prompt 1, and paste it in. Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured image for your first scene. Now, here's the important part. Before generating the second image, click on the first image, click the 3 dots, choose Add to Prompt, and then paste image prompt 2 here. This keeps the visual consistency across every scene so your video feels like one continuous story. Repeat the exact same process until all your images are done. Now let's bring these images to life. Choose image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Copy video prompt 1 and paste it in. In seconds, Google Flow will turn your images into a smooth, cinematic video. For the second video, choose image 2 as the start frame and image 3 as the end frame. Paste video prompt 2 and generate. Repeat the same process for the next scene. For the very last video prompt, choose the final image as the start frame only. Paste video prompt 4 and hit generate. Your complete set of scenes is now ready. Open any video editor and import all your generated clips. Arrange them in sequence. Remove any part that feels unnecessary and scale every clip up slightly to hide the VO watermark. Add whatever background music fits the mood of your video and export. Your viral AI plant growth animal video is ready to post. The tools are free. The prompts are in the description. The only thing left is you starting. Subscribe for more tutorials like this and drop a like if this helped you.